So, hi everybody, this is Hustle Hub. Today I'm covering Qualcomm. This is one of the stocks that you asked me. So, if you want your stock to be analyzed by me, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which stocks you want to hear about next. So, make sure to comment for that. So, today we're covering Qualcomm. Qualcomm operates in a technology business. It is involved in the development of new technologies for semiconductors, but also for telco technology. It is involved in the development of 3G, 4G, and 5G technologies. If you're interested in understanding the core business of Qualcomm, I'll put a link in the description where you can find a video that I did a few months ago, and in that video it's explained very well how the Qualcomm business is structured. But first of all, today let's see how Wall Street sees Qualcomm in the current environment. So we can see that 82.4% of Wall Street analysts recommend a buy right now, 16% a hold, and 1.5% a sell. So the latest report that we had came from Barclays, and then we had from Deutsche, JP Morgan, and so on. So this is a graph of the last year and a half, and let's see how we can see how the price targets have changed along the way. They have gone up and up and up until the new year, and now they have gone a little bit down. But let's see. We can see that the latest report came from Barclays, so let's see what they have to say and how they have performed along the years. So we can see the price target has gone up and then down to 120 right now. So it's a pretty big cut from the previous 160. And then we see Deutsche. Let's see Deutsche, what they say. Deutsche still holds a pretty positive price target, and we'll see if they're able to deliver. Now let's see JP Morgan. JP Morgan still holds a pretty positive price target. Let's see the report. Let's see the explanations why they changed this price target during this year, for example. Let's see why they changed the price target earlier this year. Maybe the reasons are still there, the same reasons are still there. So we can see that the analyst from JP Morgan lowered the price target. We can see that the price target has changed mainly because of the macroeconomic environment, because of the slowdown, and as a consequence of that, there could be less demand for Qualcomm products, for products that Qualcomm has developed, and for products that Qualcomm gets licensing fees for. So this is the main reason. Let's see the other ones. Next, let's go and see some of the financials, some of the ratios and so on. So Qualcomm has a market cap of $128 billion, sales 42 billion. So pretty interesting. Dividend $3, dividend yield today is 2.54%. So that's pretty good. So next we see the price earning ratio. It is pretty low, but probably is discounting it's probably discounting decrease in earnings. We can also see the forward price earning that is low. Next we can see the current situation with the price targets and so on. I prepared a Excel spreadsheet to give you a better blueprint of what is the situation with Qualcomm today. So let's get into it. So we can see the revenue that along the years has developed. Qualcomm operates mainly in the semiconductor development, 3G, 4G, 5G technology, and so on. But another growth tailwind going forward could be automotive, because if self-driving cars become a real thing, Qualcomm could play a very important role in that sector. So we'll have to see. Some analysts say that Qualcomm could generate up to $30 billion in revenue every year out of the automotive industry. So we'll see how it plays out in the next few years. So we can see the revenue steadily going up, EBITDA also increasing, almost doubling in 10 years. So we can see the debt. It's okay, it's manageable. Next we see the market cap. This is the one that I've put there from a few weeks ago, but you can see the market cap by yourself. Enterprise value, okay. Enterprise value to EBITDA, pretty low for a technology company, but it's probably discounting the possible drop in earnings due to the macroeconomic situation. Debt to EBITDA, manageable. And then we can see the shares, the outstanding shares, very interesting. Qualcomm has bought back, so pretty good news for the investors. And we can also see the earnings per share, and we see that Qualcomm has done a very good job for the investors. Last but not least, we can see the dividend per share, which has gone up and up and up in the next 10 years. So there's a good chance that in the long term, Qualcomm will continue to do so. So this is it for today. This is it for Qualcomm. If you haven't done it yet, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which stocks you want me to analyze next. If you want to know more about the Qualcomm core business, I'll link the other video in the description, so make sure to check that out. So this is it for today. I'm Giacomo. This is Hustle Hub. See you next time.